So December.
Mm-hmm.
December sounds like it's gonna be a big thing as well.
It's a big thing. It's a big thing. We're gonna be at Shiloh High School in Snellville. Shiloh High School Theater. Nice setup, nice location. You know, we're gonna be there, and we're gonna bring some folks in there. I'm expecting we'll have participants from the first book. You know, we talk about the population of the study. We're going to have a number of them, the ones who are at least local and will be able to make it. Quite a few of them committed. They will get to hear them speak about their lives, their purpose. We'll have a keynote speaker, and we'll have other speakers. And also the big thing is we're going to honor individuals from different communities who are walking and living in their purpose, making a difference in the lives of others. But I think that's what this is all about. Who's doing the work, we're going to honor them.
Oh, awesome. That's great. That's really great. Because sometimes people, you have those, yeah, they're doing so much, and you don't really hear about them and what they're doing and their work and what they're giving back to their communities.
And what I like about our thing, right, is we're talking about regular everyday people.
Right.
They're friends. They're doing so much stuff out there. We're going to honor them. We're going to say we appreciate you. We notice you. We notice that you're doing big stuff. You're doing things bigger than you, right?
Right.
Bigger than your expectations or whatever, but you're out there making it happen, making a difference. So we're going to honor those people. Our everyday, our neighbors, is unsung heroes.
Right. That's good. That's important.
I say thank you.
Yeah, very important. Well, this is good conversation.
This is good conversation. Yep, indeed. But that's what A Collision with Purpose is all about, right? Creating awareness. And giving people, a platform to come and say what's on their mind. Whether it's about parenting, whether it's about, their pursuit of purpose, what happened in their life that changed their outlook, their perspective, and and what they need to do to become that better me, that they aim to be, right?
Right.
It's all about, that's what this platform is all about. It's a place to voice your thing.